understand, I have to buy it. My friend was like, why are you spending $2,500 right now at the wedding? Like, I want to, and because I'm a shopaholic. Time for another dose of unboxings. But first, you guys, let me know if you like this segment at all, okay? Because I'm spending a lot of money here to unbox these things for this channel, which I'm literally doing for. I mean, yes, I like the things that I get, but like, so let me know if you like these, if I should keep doing this Sunday segment. Saturday, Sunday, secondhand, shopaholic, sustainable savings, steal of a deals from the RealReals, okay? And the RealReal, if you like these, please, let's do a collab. Come on, like, help me help you. Anyway, we're unboxing some RealReal things. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to keep seeing these or not, because it's getting expensive. And like, half the stuff I don't even use. Side note, I think I want to do a separate thing about like sustainability for this year and like getting rid of shit that I don't use. So let's talk about that. Remind me. Okay, so this is a two-part unboxing because the first part shipped and the second part hasn't come. Also, if you guys remember a couple of weeks ago when I got this, which I love and I'm obsessed and I'm wearing all the time forever the rest of my life. This might be the only thing I ever wear for the rest of my life ever. Still comfy and perfect. I also got that Hermes jacket. I got the Hermes jacket in the store, but I wanted to return it and rebuy it to get the promo. So I did that. I returned it and I rebought it just in time, just in the nick of time. While I was in Mexico, I just had my SA texted to me a link. I put it in my car, put a link, and I literally bought it during the wedding. My friend was watching me. She's like, "What are you doing?" She's like, "Why are you spending $2,500 right now in Mexico on the RealReal?" And I was like, "Because I want to, and because I'm a shopaholic." Put your phone away, and I was like, "No, I have to do it before this thing expires." And so I did it and put it in my car. And she's like, "Why are you buying $2,500 the RealReal right now?" And I was like, "I have to. You don't understand. I have to buy it." So I did. So I got that back for $500 less now because of the gay math, girl math, guy math. So now it's actually only $2,000. And then I got two other things because, you know, I couldn't help myself, right? Actually, I got three other things, and the third thing is coming. And those three things ended up being more than the $500 I would have saved. But we're not going to talk about that because I'm considering them free now because of the $500 credit I'm going to get later, even though I have to use that to spend on something else. I'm considering these free, preemptively, like, you know, buying it before. But then also negating this by $500 down to $2,000, so it's a double win. Okay? So here's what I got. Step one, same thing. We've already seen it, so, but this is great because now I can wear this literally, and it's just in time. It just got here because I'm leaving for Paris tomorrow, so this is perfect. It's my Hermes coat, which I'm gonna wear into Hermes. I don't have an appointment this time, but I'm gonna just try my luck. So we'll see what happens. This might be, I might not get anything, but manifesting that I do. But also I don't really need anything. I mean, I do, but I don't. Okay. So anyway, this. Okay. Next, I got two little munchkins shirts. Again, savings. This was like 90 or $100 and it's normally like $500. It's an Hermes white t-shirt, which who doesn't love a good white tee, and who doesn't need more white tees? I know I do. I think it's a little big for me, so I might just wear it as like a loungy kind of thing because I'm loving my lounge phase. It's literally just a white Hermes t-shirt, okay? It's supposed to be a large, extra large, but it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. So either I'm extra large or this is shrunk. I'm gonna say the latter because I'm not extra large. You might be large. I used to be an extra small. God. Anyway, and then this, I don't like this. Oh man. This looks ratty and old. Okay, I might try to get rid of this. This is a Laura Piana purple tee, but it's getting very, very small on me. Okay, well, we'll try it on and see. Is it extra small? What size is this? No sizing. Also, I thought it was gonna be like a softer material. This looks like very old and very used. Okay, I think this is final sale, but we're gonna just, you know, try to finagle it. Right, RealReal? Okay, that's all I got. Let me know if you want me to keep this segment or not. Bye.